Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this quick video, I'm going to be reviewing Nike Training Club, which is a free fitness application that is designed for workouts, training plans, and expert coaching. But before we begin, you can check out the link in the description to download the app and explore its features. So first, we need to understand what is Nike Training Club. So as the name suggests, it is from Nike. So it is a fitness app that offers on-demand workouts, structured training programs, and expert-led guidance. So it is great for beginners and advanced users who covering everything from strength training to yoga and hit cardio. So if I talk about the pros, the first pro is that it is free to use. So most of the workouts and plans are completely free. You will also going to get variety of workouts, including the strength, endurance, yoga, and mobility exercises. It is also expert led coaching program you are going to get. So it features guidance from the professional trainers and athletes, and in order to follow these workouts you don't even need any equipment. So most of the workouts can be done at home with your body weight. So if I talk about the cons, so you will get limited customization. So since it is free, the workouts are preset and with little flexibility for personalized plans. There is no live classes as well. All of the videos will be recorded. So unlike other fitness application, there is no real-time instructor that led the sessions, but you will get the pre-recorded workout plans and trainings. So if you are looking for a high quality free workout app, Nike Training Club is one of the good options available with a wide variety of workouts, expert coachings, and no subscription fees. It is perfect for anyone who wanting to stay fit at home or the gym. So if you want to start your training, you can just check out the link in the description and you can download the Nike Training Club app today. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.